Mythographic Artists Vault.
The paper is, in my opinion, a little bit heavier than in the typical mythographic coloring books. A little bit heavier. And over to the left-hand side, it has the name of the illustrator across from the corresponding illustration. Now I'm going to just start flipping. So this one is by Fabiana Astanasio, Joseph Catambang, again, the paper is of good quality, and Fabiana Astanasio again. I am going to start flipping without saying a word, and you can just get a look at the illustrations. Enjoy the rest of the flip through.